That is opposition. Opposition power. So we did. Who crew? Yes. We na modi wo. We na say. In fact, Chairman Aotijo, branch secretary, executive session, we are the chair free party headquarters. You say you can't kesiye. Now the way I not your pen on our conisa, but that shouldn't be the end of life. The most important thing they say we'll regroup and come back together stronger. That's the most important thing. Say as a political party, this is not the first time Yako elections are heading to Yako are winning the Lusubi. But the most important thing is that when we come back, irrespective of our differences, like I always say, we shouldn't be friends before we work together in a political party. And the most important thing is when you say we have started the reorganization of the party in July. You will call it annual delegates conference. Amendments to our constitution, no, because the constitutional amendment committee, no, why we are to present it to steering committee, NEC, National Council, and Sana about for the highest decision-making body of the party for acceptance. Afterwards, no, Akwenya Beba, all your internal elections from polling station, flag bearer and MPs. And really, we should be circumspect. Campaign, we should be circumspect. And you might all have our choices. But how we will campaign will determine whether we will be able to bring the losing side to support the one who won. Because all my line and can't never be you can't bring the person back. Then campaigning on our competence, what we can do and what we have to offer. Now, not based on that, they should make decision. And if I say you will be moving to climb up, we should campaign on what we can do, what we've done before. And we are coming back together as a united party will not be a problem. Because you see, what I've identified politically is that campaign we are, unity. But unity without action, saying now shows it. In fact, you can't more bomba the Jumano. The another kind of fanfare, which will not be for the betterment of our party. Until you come as one party, you're together after elections, we should all come together during campaign. To malign your friends. But I also wish the Kai said,